What's up, guys? Mac Daddy Michael is here, and you know that truck is loaded down. So let's go take a look and see what Mac Daddy Michael's got today. You guys, come on. Well, how are you today?
Morning. Good.
It's nice to come in and see some big half-inch ratchets laying there.
Just got those in yesterday.
Brand new. Well, had a busy week.
It's been very busy, actually.
That's a good thing. Sure enough.
It's wide open right now. Normally it's summer and vacation and everything, everybody out of school, it slows down a little bit, but it is wide open right now.
Oh, that's good. Got a new toy up here.
Yeah, that's one of the kids' puzzles.
That's pretty cool. That's neat y'all carry stuff like that so dads can pick up some fun stuff.
You know, a little happy for their kiddos.
Nothing wrong with that.
They do the puzzles and the Lego sets, and they even had a little backpack deal a while back, so it was neat.
That's cool. Definitely cool. Man, got a refrigerator?
Yeah, that's something we got in a while back that we need to get out of the shop and get it gone. So
that's pretty sharp looking right there.
It comes with the roll cart.
Oh, it's a duo set, huh?
Mm-hmm.
Drink cold beer and work on something. It sounds like everybody's dream Saturday.
I mean, that's usually the way it goes on a Saturday anyway.
I don't know it. I get tired of working on stuff. Well, what new and exciting stuff you got?
New polisher in that I was going to show you. Let me open this box real quick. This is our new 20 volt 3-inch polisher or 2-inch sander kit.
I've had bad luck with the snap-on polishers.
Really?
I burnt 2 of them up with no more than 5 minutes use on both of them.
What voltage were those? 14.4s.
So I got the newest brushless one, and I hadn't used it yet because I'm figuring the smoke packet. You know, every piece of electronics has got a smoke packet in it. If you ever let that smoke packet out, it's done.
So when it gives up smoke, it's toasted, isn't it?
So I'm waiting to see how long this one will last.
This one is, like I say, it is the 20 volt, which is the same voltage as the Mac 7-inch buffer, which I have on here now, and then also the same voltage as the Mac, I believe it's a 5-inch disc dual action orbital polisher.
Yeah.
Big polisher. We showed it a couple weeks ago. But this is the new polisher, the little polisher.
Yeah.
And it comes with, it comes with a battery, charger, and then it comes with your wool pads, your polisher pads, and then it also comes with your roll-lock sander part as well.
That's a nice kit.
So
how heavy is it? Nothing. Man, y'all have got to have the lightest tools.
Well, this battery don't have the fullest charge on it.
So what's the RPMs on it?
The RPMs.
Oh, right here, 9,000 a minute. Wow.
Let's see what it says on here.
Let's get there.
3,000, 5,000, and 9,000.
9,000 is moving, ain't it? That thing don't
This is the first time I've even played with one of them. Yeah, it's got the 3,000, 5,000, and 9,000.
Wow. That little joker will get it.
That's 3,000, 5,000, and 9,000. So, and it's actually big enough where you can hold on to it.
Right. That thing will get it. It must be your phone wiggling. I thought it was mine.
But yeah, that's the new one.
That is cool right there. I know one of the things I seen that you got up there is that 12-volt outlet that's right there above your head.
Yes.
For the power and ground.
Plug it into your cigarette lighter.
And that is the handiest thing ever, because I mean, as long as the light's on, you know the cigarette lighter.
If it's lit up, you got power and you got ground. Hook your test light up on the inside, and because that's one of the biggest headaches is when you're on the inside of a vehicle trying to check stuff is getting a good ground or a good power.
Well, like on a big truck, you know, it's all fiberglass or plastic, so there's nothing, you know, really to ground on a big truck, and those things are worth their weight in gold right there. I mean, if y'all charged $100 for that, it'd be worth it. Because, man, nothing brings out the cussing in you no harder than think you've got a ground to get up there and you not have no power and you're just chasing your tail back and forth. So. Or
you stretch it all the way out to the door out there to clip it on something, and you get in there and you almost have it and dink! So.
No kidding. That's true. So when do you think you're going to be able to get the new baby Knipex in?
I have some on order. Nobody's put a true release date on them yet.
Looking forward to that, because I think that's going to be I mean, those, you can do a lot with those little fellows.
And, you know, these are the 5 inches. And the new ones are going to be 3 inches. So, I mean, you're talking this much. So,
that's pretty awesome.
You'll about lose them in your pocket.
I'm looking forward to them coming in, without a doubt. Well, I'm trying to think. There was something that I needed this week when I was working, and I can't remember what it was. And I should have wrote it down, because I said when I get on the Mack truck, I'm going to have to look for this. And I don't remember what it was now, because I'm getting old and my brain don't work like it's supposed to. But maybe I'll think of it before I...
And for everybody watching, don't forget to get with your Mack dealers on the hammers that are on sale right now.
That's right. That's going on, what, another 2 weeks?
Another 2, I believe it's at least another 2 weeks.
Yeah.
So.
Yeah, it's a cheap for that set of hammers.
It is.
Man, I can't think of what that was, and that's driving me insane, because it was Monday when that was, and I was like, I'm going to have to remember that, but maybe it'll come to me. I'm hoping it will. So, I used the little flathead
pry bars.
Pry bars.
How'd you like them?
I liked it. I was changing a diesel tank out underneath the diesel, and you know it's got that lock ring that you twist.
Right.
And I'd always used a regular small pry bar, but that curve, it's always a pain. You know, it wants to jump off, and man, those things, that flat one worked like a champ. And I like too, because most time I'd use a screwdriver, and of course it didn't have a striking cap, so, but that worked really good. Those things are,
you don't have to worry about messing the tip of a
definitely
screwdriver up
worth
either.
the money on those. Man, that's gonna drive me nuts that I can't remember what that was. It was when I was doing that injector job on that truck too. I've
got to where I've had guys here lately that text me and say, hey, don't let me forget I need this when I see you this week.
I can't remember what it was. Oh, it was a crow's foot line wrench. I think it was 5/8.
Okay.
I believe it's right. 5/8 or 16. Do you have any of those?
I do.
Yeah. Man, was that a big old Portico?
It is. That's one of the Hess Air brands.
That's pretty cool right there. It's a good looking one.
All right, we rearranged last night. Let me find them. Right here. Well, that's in a set, but that's one of them right there.
Yep. Well, how much is the whole set?
Well, let's see.
Because there's been a bunch of times that I could have used that. Also, does y'all's have the hole on the back side where you can put the socket in over there? I mean the extension end?
They do not.
Okay.
It's just on this end.
Let's see how much them are. Because, man, them injector lines is a pain. I have a feeling I'm going to have to replace that pump.
For the max set on those is $224.99.
24. It goes up to 13/16. Do they make them in the Expert brand, or?
They don't. I do not believe. I can check real quick.
Okay. Ain't something I'd use a whole lot of, but man, when you need it.
That's about the only thing that's going to get you out of the jam you're in when you need one.
Because I have a feeling an injection pump on that thing is going to be fun. And then I've got my brother's tractor to do. I'll put an injection pump on it. It's a Mahindra. And that just translates into English to a lot of cussing. That's what Mahindra stands for. Lots and lots of cussing. Do y'all have those heat shields like you put on your arms?
Right there?
These? Man, yeah. We work on those Ford Transits for the ambulance service. And putting checking that transmission fluid. Of course, you have to do it when it's running, and they're too dumb to put a regular dipstick on there. They put like a 1-inch dipstick on top of the transmission, and it's good and toasty.
Well,
I can't think of nothing else that I just got to have today, which that's good for me. When are they coming out with the, have you heard when they're going to do the twist sockets?
the numbers are loaded. We're just waiting on inventory at the warehouse.
I think that's going to be a game changer. If they work as good as these, that's going to be something to see right there.
Yeah, we're just waiting on them to get them in stock.
And you got a lot of that RBRT stuff.
We do.
It's good.
Right now on the flyer, they have some of the RBRT on a good promo right now as well.
Yeah. That's good.
Yep. I did not see them in the Expert brand.
Okay. Well, that answers my question. Well, I guess we're going to get back in there and get to work. Let you get back to work.
All right.
See what all we can tear up today and break and have to cuss 2 hours to get out. All right, guys, like always, thanks for watching the video. If you want some more merchandise, it's right over there. If you want to check the links in the description, we got some new discount codes we just added and all that good stuff. If you like it, be sure to hit that thumbs up, click that subscribe button, and we will catch y'all guys next time. See ya.